last video, we installed Python on our device. In this video, we're going to install one more application, Pycharm. You might ask me, what is Pycharm? Pycharm is an application that we're actually going to learn how to code in Python language. It will be fun. Let's get started. So first, we need to go to Google Chrome. We type in download. Download Pycharm. We press enter. And then it's download Pycharm, Python IDE for professional JetBrains. We press that. And then, but we're not professionals yet. There is Windows and MacOS and Linux, but I have Windows, so I'm gonna go there, and then we're going to Community, and then you see it's downloading on the bottom. So let's press that. Oh, and you see it has seconds, so we have to wait for a little. And then it says next or cancel, but we press next. Then we press create desktop shortcut Python Community Edition. We press that. We press next. And then we press install. And then it might take a while it installs. Now we can press finish. We downloaded it and installed it, so now let's see if it works or not. To open Pycharm, we have to double click it. And then you see Pycharm is over here. We press it. And it's an important Pycharm settings. We press OK or X. And then say welcome. And then we press new project. We can even name it. We go on the top, and then it says Python Charm. And then let's do our first project. We can't do spaces. I mean, we cannot do spaces. Project. And then we press create when we're done naming it. And then it's preparing over here. So it's opened up, so we can read it, but I'm gonna delete it. And how do you delete it? you press your finger on the bottom, and then you don't press it on the top, and then it highlights it, and then you press delete, and then deletes, and then we can do our own thing. The first thing that we do, the famous thing, is we have to do print, and the famous word that we have to do is hello world. And then we do parentheses and double quotes or single quotes. We press 9, and then I do double quotes, and then we type in hello world. But we can even do our own name. We can do our own thing too. We can do print, parentheses, and then double quotes. And then we can type in hello, like some of the names. Like I'll do my name, Milana. And then when you're done, I made a mistake. Pycharm helps us when we make something wrong. It has a red zigzag on the bottom. That means we did something wrong. That means we delete that and we try again. Print, and then parentheses, and then the double things. And then we do hello Milana. You can type in your own name too. And then and then we press like the play button. It's the green play button. It says run name, and then it shows the same thing on the bottom like we did on the top, but it doesn't say print. It just says hello world, hello Milana. It gave it to the Pycharm, and then it said it over here, like the same thing on the top. That means that Python read it thinking Python can do math too. Let's do a little bit of math, like 5 plus 10, or 10 plus 5. You know the answer, right? It's 15. So let's do A equals 10. And then we press enter, and then B equals 5. We press enter again, and then it says over here print, and then we do A plus B. Now let's press play and see if he knows. He knows it! It's 15! Okay, let's do minus now. Let's see if he knows it too. Minus, you know it's 5. Print, and then the same thing, but it's A minus B. And then we press play, press run. Oh look, he knows it too. It's 5. Now let's do like hard math on him now. Let's do, instead of 10, I would do 9999. And one more 9 and 0. And then let's do, instead of 5, let's do 8999. 1, 2. And then 0, 3. Do you know the answer? Because I don't not know the answer. Python, he knows the answer. Let's check. Let's do print A plus B.
So let's press run. Oh, look, he knows the answer. It's 1899893. Now let's see if he knows minus about that. Print scorpions. Then we do A minus B. And then let's press run. He knows the answer. It's 100087. Wow.
That is very great that Python and Pycharm works together. That's it for this video. And how you exit is press this red X, and then I'm gonna exit. For the next video, I'm going to explain you more about Pycharm and do a little bit more about coding. See you next time. Bye.